So, how many packages do you have in the postal service right now that have not been delivered with a big question mark on it? So, when I put all my stuff down to like $5, under $20, when I was closing my Poshmark down, these are the things that sold. But you see, this one was resolved, it was lost in the mail. This was lost in the mail. This was lost in the mail. This was canceled. I guess all these were delivered. So see, $5, $5, $10. She got two pairs, $4, $9, $25. She got 5 items. Forever 21, $4, 16. So I guess see stickers. I'm just gonna sell stickers on Poshmark now, and so right now my goal is to only sell new stuff. That's why I closed my Poshmark shop down, because I have to take all this other stuff off so that I can add new stuff. So as you can see, my sale went okay, but we did still throw a lot of stuff away. But I didn't have to throw a lot of stuff away because people did buy it.